5-minute video series with useful facts that's going to help you to start your online business, hopefully by next weekend.
Hi you guys, it's She Has to Be Chic Boutique back again with another video, and as always I have to tell you guys about what we have going on my website. So currently we have a special where if you use the discount code SheChic at checkout, you can get 10% off of your entire purchase. You heard that right, 10% off of your entire purchase if you use the discount code SheChic at checkout. We are back again with another 5-minute video series about how you can start your business in 1 to 4 weeks. And this is episode number 3 on how you can come up with your very own business plan. Let's get into it. So grab your paper and something to write with, because I'm dropping nothing but straight facts for 5 minutes and you're going to want to take some notes. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, if you're on episode 3, then that means by now you're doing the happy dance. Oh yeah, because you have already come up with your own business name. And so now you're on the next phase of your business. Congratulate yourself. Dance around, be excited. You're on your way. If you come to this video, that's because you're probably wondering what is the best business plan for you and your business. And you're probably very confused because there's various different types of business plan. Now, I'm pretty sure you've been reading up on what a business plan is. You've probably even been searching the net all night long, going to the library, reading countless books to no end. Trust me, I get it. You're on my video because you're like, oh my God, where do I start? I have no clue. I'm confused. And your head is probably spinning right now because there's so much you've been reading on the internet and you have no guidance. But guess what? You got me here. Dictionary.com defines a business plan as a document setting out a business's future objectives and strategies for achieving them. There's a really great website that you need to know about. It's sba.gov. It's a federal government website. It's the U.S. Small Business Administration. And what I really liked about the website is it had a wealth of knowledge about why it's important to have a business plan. It talked about how by having a very thorough business plan, you can get funding for your business and business partners if that's something that you're interested in doing. But definitely check out that site because it has a framework that you can use in order to create business plans. Another great website you really should check out is buyinc.com. And on the website, it has 10 different business plans that you can choose from based off of what you want to get out of your business. I'm definitely going to link that below along with the other website. But what I'm going to do next is show you an example of a business plan that I got from the website by Inc. It was a 1-page business plan with just $100. So let's say you had $100 that you can invest in your business. There's a 1-page business plan that you can write out. Okay, this is the business plan that I chose off of the Inc. website. This is the 1-page business plan. As you see here, it asks various different questions. And then based off of the questions that they ask you, you're going to write responses based on your vision for your business. Now, I would go over my responses, but this is a 5-minute video, not a 10-minute video. So if you would like to read my responses, by all means, pause the video and you can read my responses. If you have made it this far in the video, then you have made it through all of my talking. And that means you must really love me. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. But guess what? We're beefing right now. And you want to know why? Because you have watched episode 1 on my passion project, episode 2 on what's in the name, and now episode 3 on a business plan, and you have yet to like and subscribe to my video. What's that all about? I mean, it's okay. I still love you though.